Welcome to GCRD Technologies. Selenium preferring object-oriented programming. Say, I think all of you know, programming, computer programming is required for automation testing. Software testing can be done in two ways. One is traditional manual testing, another is automation testing or automated testing. For manual testing, no programming required. For automation testing, especially for functional test automation using Selenium, UFT, RFT like tools, programming required. See, Selenium supports 6 programming languages. You can use any one of those languages to write your Selenium test cases. You need not use all languages for any project. Any one programming language to write test cases, Selenium test cases. Say now in current trends, Selenium with Java is having highest market share, nearly 65% market share. Next Python, next C#, remaining limited use. Okay, see, nowadays object-oriented programming is a popular programming paradigm in the IT industry. Software developers are preferring object-oriented programming. Not only developers, companies are preferring object-oriented programming to develop software applications. Why? Object-oriented programming paradigm is best programming paradigm. So it is popular programming paradigm in the current market. See, our Selenium also supports our not only supporting, prefers object-oriented programming. See, earlier Selenium supported languages are 3-4 years back. Selenium supported languages are, see, observe, old. Earlier Selenium supported languages are Java, core Java, not advanced Java. Next, Python. Next, C#. Next, Ruby. Next, Perl. Next, PHP, hypertext preprocessor. Next, new support. See, Java, Python, C# as it is, Ruby also. Next, JavaScript and Kotlin. See, this is new supported. See, now Selenium is supporting Java, Python, C#, Ruby, JavaScript and Kotlin languages. Observe, all these 6 languages are object-oriented programming languages. Java is object-oriented, Python is object-oriented, C# object-oriented, JavaScript, Ruby, Kotlin also, Kotlin younger language, new language, it is also object-oriented programming language. Earlier Selenium supported languages Java, Python, C#, okay, Ruby, okay. Perl is structured programming language. Mother of Perl is C language. Perl written in C. See, they removed Perl from supporting. Why? Perl structured programming language. So our Selenium moved towards complete object-oriented programming. So now our Selenium is supporting all object-oriented programming languages to write Selenium test cases. Why? I already told, object-oriented programming is popular programming paradigm since it is extensible. It can be easily extensible. So it is a popular one. Thank you.